That's a bread. Member Baba Casafidi so. Bono champion, the Diacono, named the F will be actually say, the Chenian is a bonofo a omudia. We to Cottonaha. No way, at two Cottonaha. Two Cottonas to Sodianka, and far into Cotton yet Emma. Into Bono champion, dear, and ne Asante any manso beer. And so now, social media and the edge of Bono champion mu, a money paying and was a say Bono chana pem. If you say Sante Force, Ukuma Pema Pem Beba. To where say Bono chen a pem. Bono send a pem and answer Bono a chen a pem no. Send yan can yan to quiet be kuna bontin the pipi. Obia phobia dear. Obia you obia dear na. Asante akwaji obia dear one fan common. Asante for ehu omuhuana. Asante for edi obika. Na ohwe nkrobe so wo Bono mema. Eme se omu ya yiro munchi. Sunwane awadu mase ene tanoso kwatwoma ofuman ene nkron bebrebe die na ma obiria ne nchi sa abakwasam a asantefo nkanti ana tina obiti baby a ye ne se efe die obeya bunani prekope kasa kurasini ana se inkurasefo echiresayin that's bre sansamin die na nim fa ho
Bono champion and Omunina I rally behind you know. Just 19 last a year 1948 and studies almost table champion.
Mema won kasan kwa chire no. Na chire se ye won kroni bo ha mo Bono anka moyo mo Bono champion de dua ka. Na emom o mayi do munji se me ya te wase ya.
So, entino se mayi ra kwan ne dia and Penisi Achia Nimui, Edesna Bibuina. Say all issues not start to say about family no more no we the very immediate family no. Also no question free breakum for go breakum for Munira Munchu, breakum near Bio Bishia, Obetroman tracing in Chiaco catcher say Yenchi, Asokore. Tell what I say, Yenchi, Asante Asokore. That time no budget or nay so be obukwatno bi nchen na ye vast land obi an develop ya o me be develop ya nti na okru no aye o mo dia no ta asase no odumase fo ti me ka say asase no na we mu say we just near talking keke because there wasn't a demarcation then. There was nothing to demarcate. Say, you need a better name, Pumu Hakase, a better name, Pumu Edikai, and a Wimba Echiri, and Ukrubi Kotana Baby Jawubi. But doesn't make you the landowner. Yeah, can't you develop Ukruno, Chichi Hoye, and Ukra, and what so? He's the owner of the owner of that town as a land.
Reuniting Bono does not mean, say, I will say, or disconnected Asantes from their lineage. And I said their ancestral home. But the question come here say nipa bi him for being nipa bi wo they want to detach the Asantes in Bono from their ancestral lineage. And then I'm asking Crony bi wo as omure ye fi say omu ya Asantefo kan a plethora of them, many of them are Asantefo kan in a kodue say krono a chechire say krono. Na region ya created from the Bono no ana Western Ashanti no does not detach the person, does not disassociate these people from their ancestral home. And now you know what I'm saying. Enipa bi ashada no mo yesana.
Just strategically, no, Dormaahene is playing a major role in this process. So what I say. Or play major role in this process. Now, maybe Enyameya and Hame because the entire Macas and Yamea and Hameno and say, me wish ni say Bibisa and Cosino. A Nipana open and a causes our problem. Because the whole tribe, she said, Nansen internet is issue, Bono, and I funny say. Dormaahene started here, Bono for boy CB, and the way I almost say, my Jenny say, I'm feeding any Asante, only Asante, walk a Bono. You see, and you will be arguing with Asantehene, we had a Hiano, they are no more, you don't be no, in Yobia, because me, Minim say mimi yachia minim say Bono ni Asante de mini kura minim say mu nyina the same family o we muti ha na we muti ha but enipa ni bi wa adwene bi say Asantefo ni bu omo Bono man mu ni so omo yinkrasefo e de nti na ma omo dwene sa e no kure e na ho so ekurase e no kure ekuru bia even in any part of area se bia you be a develop job baby. It is those time na Bono no e ho na kwaye ne ade ne nkuya ne we ne wo mo enti my perception say omo ye ekurase no na ye no kure but any enti say be thank God any development ahead aba ho this is the me for here it is obedience akumasi na ye fori kumasi emre bi atwam ne fra kwaman chese kwaye man ana meboa ebesi ne kura kumasi develop no obitum ka say o Asantefo de say omo de omo yinkrasefo ana meboa the word kurasini no ena enipa be find it offended kurasini ni kire say omo na kuro no omo ye ekuro na asefo that means the very native of that land ekuro no asefo kurasini kire say obi o ye the real native of that land and kenya di diatem na depending the way obesi a present asem kro so me kura ye akamfo obia ne kasa obetuma kan osimi firi kro we so me de me firi ha o me de obi kura tim kasa me de me yete team wo me tena me kuro mo na me nyini ye e me nkire se previous so se ni pa ya aboa baby so the name no abunufo na mana ye omo ya se Asantefo na buli o ma che omo eye no kre me kura no first obi kabuna na yinyina na the kasa na yesre adenti na tisa because the language was not familiar to people sana ntafo tani a o country pe obesre eye normal and how you time till generation upon generation to new develop no na Asantemane so kone ni more advanced more normal so
meet you we are
Bono develop no na Asante region no so kone ni more
yes meet
Asante region wada enyi
na meet you we are yes I so obi abeduru Germany na onto German kasa na there be ode enchu de gong ontimi nka hwento wa bi
Germany hu obesre the first osre no nkire say sebi unye nipa. It's because you are learning the language. It's because you are speaking the language in your own dialect. What you say? In Tijama for one friend Ausländer Deutsch. What you say? Ausländer Deutsch.
Nigga say, oh, you hope, Casa or can I say, onto the Deutsch and
yes. They abunoni Asantino. You see, I had the same language in Yeka. You can't the same a country now. Now, they speak with a certain dialect. So what you say? And Ubia on taste that dialect in the Dano, Okapena and Isre. And the moment you weak as our Westerno, Ubu I offended, Kaka, which I agree. Normal. But my name creates a year by who cook said there is a fight or there is a division between Asante and Bono. Intiminya Jumada. And you be our shas, the interest and our official side in Asino. Every book was a book on any mass. Because the same Asantefone, Abunofone, and woman, or Martina Pomo for over 2,000 years. What you say? Or Martina Santene Bono. Omatena area of over 2,000 years. Make us over 2,000 years. Me person me chira say ansan yebenya de din Asante yebenya akan yebenya Bono. Enipa bi omutu betina obia na history and recognize omo. They were no me the same people. So what you say? They were the same people. History, we only know what history tells us. Say free him and free Mali, we see free Egypt, and but the first people almost settled on that land, nobody can recount them or recognize them because some people came there without knowing Diana or the other end, because they don't know each other. But later they realize, they are one clan. Miyayuku, Onama, do Uniman say Miyayuku, onamade onima se me break you onamade onima se me asona enti okoba bia na obusa na munya asonafo a na wato aso okwa akopim so bakoto asonafo ana breatufo ana ayokufo ana asachirefo ana name them so what you say na wo huni sa afede wodru ni dim enti yetutu kotena abusua na ntokwa ne ade chiri mu ene ye chiri ye nkura yetutu ni din edi yetutu nkuro ni nyina aye baabi a obetu kotena bi ensu eda ho no na ade ensu ni din aye ekuro ni din so enti enye nipa different we are not different people enu enti no omunye very careful so enti de me pese me kan say the word danger asante bono ni we no they are not different people they are not different people they are the same people and omo try no omo reunite omo no omo change din no omo son din no omo ina ebusuan titemu so bebe
ohene na odo ani sia mayen
anunti ena me kan ye kan say bono ene emumpanifo ebeso omo hwani ya omuma bia abusua bia ti nkonkohye na root no obi amfiri na kwan sade e be din so beji obi akonya me de ehona me de ma no bisi
ohene dasebre ebede wase pi se ne ojemre ene yebedi nkita ho ewo mpanyina tena se dwumadi so
sabe pepe me so me de wase pa aminka ho
channel so ene ni papi na ne di nkita ho nti obi kaka se binesa anya woda wo akwanya se wo so baba so na wabetneten kasa no ana se wabekere wadwen beka abusuen ho subscribe like video no na share ma pi na so enya bintie ana se omunya binhwe medase